Hello everyone, I'm going to be introducing I think it's the Bob Spring Twist by Toyotress. This is how the hair looks. Very springy, very boingy. The construction is quite well. You can unravel these if you want. This is your opening, so your crochet needle, which it does come with one, is free to pull. You don't have to worry about compromised installation. Very easy breezy. You get 8 packs of hair. It comes with 20 strands per pack. This is 6.5 that I have in. As you see, it's very full, very bouncy, and you can unravel the hair. I did the rubber band base underneath these, so they are to look a little bit individual. I have had these in for 3 days and have received a lot of compliments. So you can even take the hair down if you want and install it to look a lot different. The install honestly took about 2 hours, and that is from start to finish, just with the crochet. Now the rubber band base, of course, is going to take you like an hour to do, if not like 40 minutes. It's not that long. It depends on how how quick you move. But if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this style, definitely stay tuned. You will enjoy. Comes to right there if you was to pull it, and it just boings back up. So let's get right to the install. Toyotress 10-inch spring twist. Let's get started. All done, all done, all done. It's pretty late and I'm tired, but I used all but this is like maybe half a bag and I have one pack left. So it is way more than enough. And if I wanted to, I can go in there and add a few more pieces in the back. But you know, you don't want to put too many pieces to make it too bulky. You can definitely pull this up if you want. I'm not going to do that right now because it is a fresh install with the rubber band. So I like to let them loosen up for a day or two before I do that. Even though they're not super tight or anything, but just as precaution. And I just, of course, used Echo Styler and some more Shiny Jam to sleek the edges down, as you see. But the hair is nice. So if you're thinking about getting it, definitely get it. Alright, if you're interested in seeing any more content, you know what to do. Subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Be safe. See you guys when I see you. Give it on. Honey, what you say?